Hello everyone. Today I want to show you and basically address a problem that a lot of you guys have had in the past. A lot of you emailed me and gave me comment on my YouTube videos. They asked me to email you the forms since you cannot open them on your computer. So this is a problem. Even if I email you, even if someone emails you the form, you cannot open still on your computer because you need a software to open that. And the software is called Acrobat Reader. It's a product of Adobe company, okay? So you need that software in order to open it. Almost none of the immigration forms now, none of the immigration forms can be opened within your browser. So let's click on this application for temporary resident visa, IMM 5257, and see what happens. As you can see, the form doesn't open within your browser. Even if you play with the settings and things like that, still you need to download it. How to download it? Play with your mouse. This is a Mac, okay? I'm pretty sure on your Windows it's the same story, okay? Click on the this icon, okay? Now you see it is downloaded on my computer. Now I need to go ahead and open it up. Double click. So right now I do have Adobe software on my computer. So it does open the form. What if you don't have? What if you don't have? Okay, you need to go ahead and download Adobe Acrobat Reader. Okay, all hail Google. Just ask Google, okay, and then you'll see this one. You need to download this one. You do not need Pro, okay? In order to open any form which is in PDF format, you need to download the Acrobat Reader only. You don't need a Pro. Once you click, it gets downloaded on your computer. Double click, next, and then boom, it's installed on your computer, okay? Maybe you need to restart your computer, I'm not sure, but it is better to restart after any software installation, and you're good to go. Then you can open any CIC immigration form on your computer and complete them. If there are smarts, you need to validate them, okay? Save them on your computer, then upload to your MyCIC account. So that's it for today. I wanted to keep it short and simple. So again, even if someone emails you, even if you want to download from any other website, you still need the Adobe Acrobat Reader, okay? So, and always make sure to download the forms from CIC's website only, because the forms change so many times, so often, okay? This is my daily job. I have put a lot of time on an application, and then once I want to submit it, oh my God, the form is old. Why? Because they changed it just yesterday, last night, okay? So you don't want to face the same problem. Always download from CIC's website, okay? Take care, guys. Have a good day.